At a time belong. Hey, Watling. Hi, Sir Jamie. Morning. How are you, Sir Jamie? The wild thing. The wild thing. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. Morning, I'm good, you? Ah, I'm fine. Morning, oh, Wednesday morning in the Philippines. Thank you for the likes, po. Ayan. Hey, thank you for the likes, po. Thank you so much. Just wake up in the morning. That's good. Still busy, I see. Yeah. But after, I need to go to work. Need to work. Need to work for the future. Good future. To save money. To buy foods. To buy clothes. To buy coffee. Hi, Sir Owen MacArthur. How are ya? Come to Australia. Why? I'm happy here in the Philippines. Hola, Jose from Mexico. Thank you for joining for Good morning, Lo. Huh? Golden Blade. Hey, Golden, you need a vacation. You work too much. Yeah. If the vacation is paid, I need to vacation. If the vacation earn money, oh my god. Maybe 1 month. Vacation, please. Enjoy life. Relax. No worries about the bills. A single. I'm not available. So, oh when? Oh my god. Thank you, Paul, for the likes. Thanks a lot. I wanna be with you right now. How old are you, sir? Oh my God, Sir Jamie, how old are you? Maybe you have a, I think not easy life. No worries about the bills, about the foods. Makey, love your stream. Thank you, Golden Blade. Not available anymore. She has a contract. Just Oh, 51. Wow, nice age. Nice age po. Sir Jamie. Jose. Me turning 41. My God, I'm turning 41 this February 2nd. God, getting old. Hi, Bama, Philippines. Hello, good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Bama. Thank you for joining, Paul. Linda. Hey, Jamie from Bama. Thank you for joining, for coming. Hey, Bama. Thank you, Paul, for the likes, Paul. Thank you so much. God. RV. Hi, RV. Roger Anderson. Hi, Roger. Good morning, Mike and Venus. Good morning po. Guapa Cheryl. Hi, G is Rocker. Good morning. Is that in a wash? No. I folded. I already washed clothes. RV Brando. Hello po. Come back. Oh, she's so lucky. This is the start. Ano yun?
Ano sa'yo ba?
Ano yan?
Turay, puli daw ng tangigi.
Ano yun? Tanigi. I'm from Kiribati, close to Hawaii. Wow. Nice to meet you po. Miss your stream so much, Cheryl. Because this week I'm too busy. So that's why it's like I stream just in few minutes or hours just to be active. Hi, Sir Ronel. Ronel, thank you for joining her, Sir Ronel. Kent Val. What Kent Val? Oh, why? Why should I marry you? Cheryl, hi Cheryl, hearts always look into on you. Thank you, Sir Ronel. Thank you so much. Why does it hurt me? Ay, sorry. Cheryl.
Oh, madam, nasa mo na kasalalay daw. Ay, di ko na ho, sabi sila.
Wapos ang kalate. Mayaman pa.
Pala mo pa. Ah, 100. Grabe man niya. School na ko siya patay. Oh, 26. Para 1 point man lang ang ano na nun. 3 4. Ay, hindi. Ba't pa awat? Awat pa.
kamay. Binatay. Pakabuhay. Sabi na sa
Ay, ah! God. Oh my God. Good morning, Jollibee. Kuya Dre. Big white dog. Yeah. The white dog. My God. Che. 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 My God. Hungry dog. I have no dog, but lots of dog here. Oh my God. Thank you po. Me. Why does it hurt me so? Thinking my love will come back someday. Only Yep, yep, yep. Oh my God. Thank you po. Sure, Candy. Let's get married. Oh. The best thing that ever happened to me in the early morning. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Come up to meet you. Tell you I'm sorry. What are you getting married, Jollibee? When? Oh my God, I don't know when. Not yet. Not yet the date. No date. Not yet there. So, come up to meet you. Tell you I'm sorry. Tell you why. It's so many questions. Oh my God, no. It's a secret. Yeah, it's a secret. Oh my God. It's a secret, but not yet. Not yet. No date. Not. But I will announce if it's when. I don't know. come up to meet you. Thought you were sorry. My love, kung maibabalik ko lang ang dating ikot mo. Gusto ko lagi na lang sa piling mo. Kung maibabalik ko lang. Tell me your question. Thank you so much, 20 people here. Thanks a lot. Thank you for. Oh my God. I'm not there. I'm here. Mickey. Thank you po. Oh my God. 21 likes. Thank you so much. Ask me your question. Thank you for 15 million. So 15 million na nanonood for the 15 million watching. How are you? Good morning. Have a nice day. Haynes Raj. Haynes Raj. Rusk. Right. I don't know how to pronounce it. But Haynes. Hi Haynes. 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 Haynes Gay. Thank you so nagla-like. Someone at the top. Thanks so much. Hi Sir Fred. 15 million. Yeah. Sir Fred, good morning. Thank you for the 23 million already. Thank you for the likes. How's morning, Sir Fred? Million. Yeah, the million. Because even one is means a lot. So it's a million. Still having a coffee, yes. Yeah, coffee time. Not yet, just I'm happy po, Sir Fred. Peter McLaughlin. Hi from Scotland, you are beautiful. Oh, thank you, Sir Peter. Beautiful. My millions and millions of men here. Men? Yes, I wonder why no woman? Why many men here? Oh my God. If one means a million, then I'm happy. That's what I get every day. Yeah. Thank you pa. Because we're looking at beauty, that's why men. Wow. Or maybe I'm beautiful. I belong to the beautiful. Because, yeah. Oh my God. Not maybe. I'm not hiding. I'm here. Hi, Kuya Dre. you want definitely tell me. Thank you so much for. Oh my god. So maybe I'm beautiful, Sir Fred. Hey Dre from Sir Fred. Tell me your secrets. Stand up. Hmm? Shalla. Shalla. Serenelle, your beautiful shows from inside out. Shout out. Oh, thank you, Serenelle. Thank you so much. Ja Kuya Fred from Kuya Tree. I'm here because you told me to joke. To joke. Thank you, Mickey. That's coffee pot. Luke Scott. Hi, Luke. Luke Scott. If I knew it was that easy, I would tell you to say to stay standing. Why? To stay standing. I'm not yet better, but soon, hoping soon. My God. Share everybody wife. Wait, I mean wifey. Sweet. The wife is more sweet than wife. Wife is sweet word. Oh, do I know you? I know you, Peter. Where are you from? Well, how old are you? How many woman you? How many married? Oh my God. How many? Oh my God. What should I say? How many woman you married? Of course I will, Peter. Hot coffee. How many times you been? Yes. Sir, ano, thank you, Sir Fred. How many times have you been married, Peter? That's how you say it, yes. Peter is quick, yes. So fast. My God. Married but divorced. How many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My God. Only one. Oh my. How old are you, Peter? That's good, Peter. I will divorce and marry. My God. Sir Fred. Come on to meet you. 23 people. Thanks so much. I've only been married twice. Wow. I'm 45. I have a lovely home and 4 horses. Okay, good job. That's great for you. Hope you find someone for you better. Okay. Oh, too young. Yes, too young. Still young, Peter. You will find better one. Thank you guys. 24 million here. Watching my crazy crazy. I have blue eyes. I love blue eyes. Mm, boo. Why? Better find a new Cheryl. He's still a puppy. She's not available. Not until she takes me to Jollibee. Jollibee. The spaghetti. I meant he won't find better than you. Why? I'm a winner. Yes, I love blue eyes, Ranel. I want inasal. Mang inasal. Thank you for eating people here. I have blue eyes. I have blue eyes also, yes. I like blue eyes. It's like a beautiful. It looks beautiful eyes. Me, my eyes is black. That's why. Blonde hair, blue eyed baby, yes. Blonde hair, blue eyes. I don't have blue eyes. Oh, it's okay if not blue eyes. At least still, ano, good looking. I have still blue eyes. Thank you for 19 people in the house. Thanks a lot. I have hazel eyes. Hazel, like hazel. What's the color for hazel? Like light brown. Mine are fake. Fake? I mean, lens are fake cataracts. The cataracts. You already have a cataract, Sir Fred. Have you dated a foreigner before? No. Just no, not yet. Before, even before. No dating. Just talk online, just chat chat, but never been met. What happened? What about blonde hair, Cheryl? I have blonde. Oh, beautiful blonde hair. You know what? I have a highlights. I want a blonde hair, but doesn't work because it's my hair is a black hair. So highlights, just a highlights. It's good a blonde hair. He's probably pangit. I have black eyes. I'm a boxer. Oh. But I think even skin color or the color of the hair, the blue, the eyes color. The important thing is the personality inside and out. On my head and black hair on my chest. I don't understand it. My God, Loltree. Kumaro Dinmar. Well, damn, that leaves me at I have no personality. Oh my God, next. Next. My God. Oh my God. Damn. Da, 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 da. You got time. Hey, hi Hegs. Hello Cheryl. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Thank you Hegs. Thank you so much. Zumba girl, yeah. Zumba. I'm a cute related. Is the cute boy related to you? Cute boy? A cute boy. So tell me where the one side, 'cause it's breaking my heart. No, I'm not Belle. Oh, yeah, he walked by. Lol friend. No, not Belle. Thank you, 23 people. What does it take means? I'm good, John. Thank you. Hi, beautiful. You are so beautiful. Thanks a lot. Thank you for. Oh. Why does it turn so? Maybe we'll never get back someday. I don't know what time is here now. Oh my god, I need to work. Oh my god. Huh? Sorry guys, I need to end the live because time is up. I need to go to work. Thank you so much for joining, Sir Fred. Thank you po. Higgs, thanks a lot. Mickey, Golden Leg, Kuya Dre, thank you for joining here. Sir Amel,
8 a.m.
Sir Jamie, thank you for joining po. God bless you guys. Have a nice day. I need working time. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Love you all.